So this is my caravan. It's a 40-year-old KIP KK 300. It's a Dutch caravan. In the last 1 year and a half, I took it apart and pretty much rebuilt it from top to bottom. And a few days back, I took some time off from work. The one thing that I realized when I was towing the caravan was that knocking sound coming from the back of the car. That knocking sound was quite familiar to me, and I realized that might come from the damper of the hitch of the caravan. And considering the age of this caravan, I realized that it probably is broken and needs replacing, and now I'm gonna actually demonstrate to you. So usually the damper is this gas rod which helps minimizing the vibration between the caravan hitch and the car hook when the caravan is towing or your trailer. In this case, because this is pretty old, I'm gonna show you if when the brakes are applied, this contracts.
Let me correct myself. When you brake with your car, the damper contracts, which applies the brakes of your caravan or your trailer. The damper in its job is to reduce the vibration and to prevent the caravan from jamming on the back of the towing vehicle when the brakes are applied.
Like so. And it usually is supposed to get back on its own, but as you can see, it does not. So I have to pull it real hard in order to extract the damper, and which means and confirms the noise, the knocking noise that I was hearing all the time when I was hitting the car brakes. The whole weight of the caravan was slamming on the car because the damper, it doesn't do its job, so that needs replacing. So if we remove these bolts, from what I was watching online, and before we proceed I have to go and get a hammer, I think, although these bolts got out quite easily. Okay. Okay, so inside this thing, I believe, should be the damper. I saw that people just hammer the damper out from front to back. However, many of the people don't have boxes like I am right now, so I might need to take apart the whole mechanism. Okay. Okay. Now. Ooh, finally. Take out this fucking bolt. This fucking... Ah. Okay, I think it's getting out on its own. Finally. Yeah, that's the fucking thing. Okay. So 3 weeks and 1 haircut later, I finally have the spare parts that would be needed for the replacement of the damper. Yeah, this is the damper that I bought from U-Trailers. I'm gonna link down the description the link to that one. As you can see how it's tagged to the original one. The only difference is that the original one is slightly shorter. And they add this extension here. As you can see, the same length, so I hope that this won't be an issue here. And now the next job before I install the new damper will be just to clean everything, to remove all the dirt and the old grease and add the new one. Also, I've purchased a new rubber from the same site, and I'm gonna link that below as well. And yeah, let's get on with it. And this is how you change your old broken damper of your caravan hitch. This is a 40-year-old Auco chassis. There is no information online. I couldn't find anything, so I pretty much had to measure anything manually and find the parts myself and thinking if they're gonna fit or not. If you think you have the same chassis and the same parts, I'm gonna link them down in the description. You can find them and you can try and test them out. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful to some, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.